In this video, I'll be showing you how to add audio in CapCut PC. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. So the first thing you of course want to do, whether you're on Windows 10 or 11, doesn't matter what you're on, is just of course open up your CapCut application. Now, when you open it up, you can literally just do this on any existing project you have, or of course you can open up a new project, a template, or anything like that. Whenever I get this error, I usually press skip, and that's what you can do too, because it does save a lot of time. So then all I want to do is go ahead and press confirm and just wait for CapCut to open up, and then go to whichever project I want. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on this one. Like I said though, you can go ahead and open up something else if you want to as well. Now you're going to be in this media tab right here. And all I want to do is go ahead and click import like so. Then just find whichever area my music is in. So let me just go over here and I'll just go ahead and add this right there. Now it adds this music. So now what I want to do is just add this MP3 file over as a track. So now it's added as a track. And yeah, it's literally as simple as that. There's nothing else to it. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.